In this video, I'm going to be sharing 7 passive income ideas that you can start to generate $1,000 per day. Having a passive income stream will allow you to make money repeatedly with minimal effort. Making $1,000 per day will require you to make at least $41 per hour, and this is definitely possible even for beginners that are looking for ways to make a passive income online. Be sure to watch this entire video so you don't miss out on any of these ideas, and while you're at it, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. The first passive income idea is building an automated Shopify store that earns you money with minimal efforts. Using an app like Zendrop will automatically fulfill your Shopify store orders so you don't spend hours doing it manually. There are, of course, many other websites out there that will build a Shopify store for you within minutes, and you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars in order to get started. And it's easier to get started than ever before because Shopify also offers a deal for 3 months where you will only pay $1 per month during that time. The next passive income idea that's able to generate at least $1,000 per day if you choose the right niche is selling how-to guides on your social media. Imagine creating an ebook once and selling it over and over again. Digital products are one of the most sold items online, and they do this by identifying a need in their space, creating posts consistently about it, and using their bio to link that ebook so their audience can purchase it. Digital products are widely sold items, and it's definitely something that beginners can get started with and make a passive income online. The average host on Airbnb earns about $236.95 per day, which means that if you have 4 units on Airbnb, you will potentially earn $947 per day. However, if you're someone that's just starting out and you don't have the capital or the funds in order to purchase a unit or even purchase an entire apartment, then here is a better way that you can go about making passive income with a rental or commercial property. And that is through Airbnb arbitrage. How it works is that you will find properties that are rented in a particular city that's doing well. You will contact the landlord and ask them if they would be open to renting your property with the terms of you subleasing it to other people. Now, let's say, for example, your target areas are renting out properties for about $1,500 per month. Acquiring 4 of those properties will be $6,000 per month, which means that you will have the potential to earn $18,000 on a month-to-month basis, excluding maintenance and cleaning fee. Now, this can fluctuate based on the month and also the location, but real estate investing is definitely one of the best passive income stream that anyone can get into. Everyone wants somewhere to stay or to live or to rent, so it's definitely a great idea if you're looking into investing in your next passive income idea. Number 4 passive income idea is one that can be done by anyone at any age, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income even while you sleep. It includes you promoting other people's product, and when someone makes a purchase, you get a commission from it. Now, it does require you to take time out in order to build up an audience, so that means your audience will be able to click on your link and make a purchase so you can get paid. I will highly recommend that you use social media in order to drive traffic to your link. Being an affiliate marketer is a simple process. What you can do is look on a brand that you've recently used and see if they have an affiliate program open. If it's that you are new to affiliate marketing and are looking for ideas, you can go onto different websites like Share a Sale, ClickBank, or Flex Offers to see what they have on their marketplace. The 5th passive income idea is blogging. Now, blogging does require some investment when it comes on to time because you will need at least 6 months in order for your blog to take off. It will require you to publish consistent articles on a specific niche in order to be recognized in Google. Once recognized, you will be able to monetize your blog post through AdSense. AdSense is a platform that will pay you per view or per click on your website. It's definitely a great way a lot of authors and writers are able to monetize their knowledge by creating articles and sharing with the world. And if you are someone that loves to write, I think this would be the perfect passive income idea that you can invest time in and earn money for your skills. Number 6 passive income idea is creating a subscription service using Patreon. Now, Patreon is a website that allows creators to monetize their services and their content. So if you're someone that's an artist, a musician, you can definitely join Patreon, sign up, and invite your audience to subscribe to your membership. Patreon is the best place to build a community with your biggest fan, share exclusive work, and turn your passion into a long-lasting creative business. Patreon gives you a direct line of access to your fan community with no ads or algorithms in the way. Through real-time group chats, comments, DMs, and even directly over email, you can connect more deeply and directly with your community here and everywhere else. So it allows you to be able to stay close to your audience. For the audience that you have that are interested in supporting your work, you can create a Patreon account and get paid on a month-to-month basis for your membership. The last passive income idea that we won't be leaving off the list today is YouTube content creation. YouTube is a great platform that allows people like you and me to create content and upload it to viewers that are looking for answers to their questions. Having a YouTube channel will allow you to have a passive income stream because your content will be on YouTube and it's evergreen. That means your content will be there in searches, and also you will be able to monetize your content through AdSense. YouTube allows you to also create memberships and fan clubs where you'll be able to get paid if your subscribers subscribe to your club memberships. You can also place ads within your videos and be paid, which will allow you to receive ad revenues. Creating a YouTube channel may be daunting for a lot of people because they don't want to show their face on camera. But the thing is, YouTube automation is definitely another way that you can have a YouTube channel without showing your face. And it includes you uploading content that is around a specific niche, and once you reach a threshold by YouTube, you'll be able to monetize those content. So if you're someone that doesn't want to be in front of the camera but you love to create content, YouTube is definitely one of the avenues for you to earn a passive income. Those were the 7 passive income ideas that you can start to make $1,000 per day. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I'll see you in my next video.